the Medical Dialogues. I'm Mr. Zaman and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Drinking alcohol while breastfeeding impacts health of newborns. Led by Kelly Huffman, a professor of psychology, the research team at the University of California found that infants' exposure to alcohol through breast milk can have long-lasting effects on their development. Specifically, young mice that were exposed to alcohol during early development show smaller body and brain growth as well as decreased cortical length, a measure of brain size. Research shows approximately 36% of breastfeeding mothers in the US consume alcohol. In Canada and Australia, the numbers are 20 and 60% respectively. Women who consume alcohol during pregnancy are more likely to drink while breastfeeding. Also, many women who choose to abstain from drinking during pregnancy report beginning to drink again shortly after giving birth. The researchers focused on lactational ethanol exposure or LEE and developed a novel postnatal alcohol exposure model in breastfeeding mice. In this mouse model, offspring were exposed to ethanol via nursing from postnatal day, that is P6, through P20, that is weaning, a period equivalent to infancy in humans. How cadmium-induced inflammation increases the severity and mortality of lung infections. A key mechanism of cadmium-linked inflammation that increases severity and mortality of lung infections has been described, offering a promising therapeutic target to limit lung injury and death. Environmental cadmium is associated with higher risk of death from flu and pneumonia, and it doubles the risk of lung disease, but the mechanism of cadmium's influence was not known. The UAB research focused on bone marrow-derived macrophages that are recruited in large numbers to the lungs during infection to defend against respiratory pathogens. These immune cells are initially inflammatory to fight the pathogen and then should become anti-inflammatory as the disease is controlled, so that continued inflammation does not damage the lung tissue. Exposure to air pollution during pregnancy increases risk for flu. During pregnancy, women are more susceptible to severe respiratory infections from multiple viruses, including influenza A virus, respiratory syncytial virus or RSV, and severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, that is SARS-CoV-2. Additionally, pregnant women are disproportionately affected by influenza, resulting in a more than 10-fold increase in hospitalization risk. A new study led by Dr. Natalie Johnson, Associate Professor in the Texas A&M University School of Public Health Department of Environmental and Occupational Health, shows that exposure to ultra-fine particles or UFPs during pregnancy enhances respiratory viral infection risk. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.